Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. There are 3 fasteners securing the housing. Remove the fasteners. Lift the housing. Remove the old filter from the housing. Install your new AF4008 filter into the housing. It can only be installed with the housing in one orientation. Once the filter is fully flushed and the housing is aligned, re-engage the fasteners. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.